Let's make a pumpkin roll today.
3 eggs, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of light brown sugar. Mix them together. Mix them together until they're nice and light and fluffy. One cup of pumpkin puree. Continue mixing. Once that's all in there, we want to start adding our dry ingredients. 1 1/4 cups flour,
1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt.
and a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Sift that in there. This is a light cake, so you definitely want that sifted. We want to get back in there with our mixer and mix that up. Stop and scrape down the sides of your bowl. Make sure you get everything in there. And then give it a final mix. I have an 11 by 15 pan here. I'm preheating my oven to 350.
My pan's been lined with parchment paper and lightly greased.
Once that's in my pan, I want to spread it out to the edges. And I'm going to pop that in the oven and bake it at 350 until it's lightly golden brown on top. Once your cake is out of the oven, what you want to do is flip it out. I'm using a towel here. Just going to flip it over. Pan's still a little hot. Once you have it flipped out of the pan, peel off that wax paper and roll it up into your towel. Fold it up a little bit like that and roll it up. You want to let that sit and cool completely before you work with it again. While my cake cools, I'm going to make my filling. 1 cup of mascarpone cheese, 2 tablespoons of sour cream. You can also use yogurt if you like. 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. This is the simplest and yet most amazing filling. Okay, maybe I went a little bit over. 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice and 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar. So I'm just going to give that a good stir before I whip it up with the mixer, just to kind of break up that cheese. Once I have that all in there, I want to whisk it up with my mixer. Now that I have that all whipped up, I'm just going to pop it in the fridge and let it chill until it's time to fill my cake. My cake has cooled and we're just going to unroll it to fill it. Once I have it unrolled, I want to roll it up this way and gently get it off the paper towel. I'm just going to pop it onto some wax paper so that I can work with it. Open it back up so that I can fill it. Time to add my filling. Now we want to take that and just roll it up. Good morning. It's the next day. I've let my pumpkin roll sit and I'm going to unroll it. I've placed it on a board and I'm just going to sprinkle a little powdered sugar on top. A little whipped cream. Some crushed pumpkin seeds. Gives it a nice touch of color. Clean up the excess sugar with a brush. That looks amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you give it a try. Please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more recipes like this.